What up, everybody? In this video, I am going to be continuing the battle functions. We got the attack working the other day, so it switches very quickly back and forth between turns. So as you can see, both healths are going down. His health goes away, my health stays at where it ended the battle. So we are going to need a way to maybe use the items and every like the magic and all of our other functions in our battle. So let's go ahead and jump in the code and add functionality to our other options on our screen. So just currently, while it is our turn and not the skeleton's turn, it just says if we hit enter, it just simply wants to do his attack. We don't always want the attack to happen as soon as we want enter, so we have to clarify when we want the attack to happen. So to do that, we go if from our game function, and our cursor dot d is equal to attack, and then we want it to do the attack. So this way it knows that it will only do the attack when if the cursor is over the attack. So if we go if gif dot cursor, and then we're just gonna tell it to the other ones is equal to item and magic and run. So we'll go item, and then we will go double equals. And then for our other ones, we also have to add one more thing, which we can do in one moment. So we're going to say if gf cursor.d is over the item and we hit the enter button, then we're going to do self.menu, which we're going to make here in one moment, is equal to item. And that's all we need right now, because we'll make another if statement outside of here. But first, we need to make that self.menu. So self.menu is equal to none. That way we can switch it back and forth. One other thing that we're going to need to do so we can get out of our menus, we need to put another key bind under our turn. So on this one, we're going to have to go if keys, and then is pygame, and then it's keys, and this button is going to be back for B. So K underscore B. We're just going to say self.menu is going to be none again. Okay, so if our self.menu is item, so we don't want it under the key press, so we need to bring it back under its own under this if statement during the churn, but not during the key press. So if self.menu is equal to item, then for now we're just going to do self.screen, and we're going to fill it with a yellow color. So fill, and then with yellow. Oops, too many buttons being pressed. Okay, and now let's just test it out really fast to make sure this is working the way I'm wanting it to. Okay, so now we're in our battle. We can still take enter, and then it brings it up the yellow screen just for now. And then we hit our back button, and there we go. It takes us back to the battle. So let's do the same thing for our magic and our run. So we're going to go if gf.cursor.d is equal to magic, then we're going to say self.menu is equal to magic, and then if our cursor is equal to run, Then we want self.menu to be run. Well, no, because that's not going to be a menu. So if self.cursor, we're just going to end the battle. So we're going to say self.battle is equal to false. And then we're going to want our character to be away from the picture so it is no longer touching and colliding to activate it again. So we'll just say is just equal to wherever he spawned. Okay, so if the cursor is item, item, and run, and then run, let's go test that run just to make sure that is working the way I'm hoping it is. So run, and is not. Is everything else still working? Uh-oh, wait a minute, it did work because nothing is working. Okay, then, very interesting. Do I have to return? It shouldn't. Because see, once he dies, self.battling is... Oh, we forgot to put self.playing is true. Because it's the same thing we're doing down here. Now that should work the way I'm wanting that to work. Let's just... And there we go. So when we run away from our monster and choose the run... Oh no. I can't get back to there. And then we close, it crashes. Whoops. So, very interesting. Maybe we should put these elif statements. Okay, anyways, so when if self.menu is equal to magic, let's just fill the screen with purple. So we're not going to get all of the bugs out currently. We're just kind of building the basics at the moment. So okay, that should be enough to get at least the other screens working. Okay, there's our purple screen. There's our item and then our run. I wonder if the run is still equal, so can we not, we can't go back over, and okay, wait. That is what's happening. Um, do we have to put this in there? If self dot menu is not none, and then self menu will equal none. Okay. And then maybe we need to put self dot menu is equal to none. All right. So attack item goes back. We can still attack. We can go back, and then we can run. Okay, well, it's still a little bit broken. Okay, well, I mean, until after we run, it's working fine. But and after okay, maybe if we do need a self.menu is run, if self.menu is equal to run, you know what, maybe this is how we're gonna have to do it. Oh no. Z, okay, let's copy all of this, move this down, scoot all this back over. I don't know why it does that. Okay, and then we're gonna say self.menu is equal to run. Menu is equal to run. Now, if self.menu, the battle is false min, and then the menu goes back to none. So that should help fix a lot of the problems. Except it doesn't. And I don't understand why I can't go over sometimes. That's still working. My magic's not working, and okay. Oh, is it because I was running it too many times? Item is working and the magic is working. It doesn't break until I do my run. Okay, well, so everything else is working but the run function. I might play around with that off video and just show you how I ended up fixing that. Thanks for watching. I will probably do more work off video and kind of start mixing both, like doing it on video and just showing you the results. So just comment down below, let me know what style you would prefer and how I'm going to continue to do my videos. Like and subscribe. Bye.